Again, now it is minus 4 I got. So minus 4 into plus, plus into minus is minus 4. So minus 4. Again, what I got answer 8. But here the value is minus. So minus 8. I got here value as 1. So here it is also plus. So plus. So what if we got values? Then we have to into with these operators. Okay. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. See, first plus, again minus, then plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So you have to into with these values. You have to write the symbols before that. See, I wrote here the symbols before them. These are the answers I got, but I have written those symbols before them so that I can easily write here. Make a matrix. Okay, now I got an answer. This is the answer. But adjoint of a matrix means you have to write row as a column, row as a column, row as a column. See, 4, 3, minus 1. So 4, 3, minus 1. 4, 3, minus 1. Then 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Then minus 4, minus 8, 1. See, I am writing this row as a column, this row as a column, this row as a column. See, this is similarly like transpose, where rows should be right as a columns. So this is how we have to find the adjoint of a matrix. The another most important topic which is inverse of matrix. So the inverse of matrix formula is A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A. So adjoint A, determinant of A. So first the question is find the inverse of a matrix. Question is given like this. So first we have to find the det. How to find det means it is similar how I showed to find adjoint, but there is small difference. See, the first value I am taking here is 2. 2 into. So if I am taking this 2 means what should I do? Closing this column and this row. What are the values are left? 1, 1, 2, minus 3. So 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 1. Okay. 2 open braces, then 1 into minus 3 into 1 into 2. Again minus 2. Here it is plus 2. No, why I am writing here as minus? Because it is like I minus j plus k format. So it is minus, no? So that's why minus 2. So 2 row I am closing. 2 row I am closing. 2 column, 2 row. So what are the values are left? 2 into minus 3 minus 7 into 1. See, 2 into minus 3 minus 7 into 1. Again plus 0. 0 means we have to close this column and this row. What are the values are there? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 7. So minus, we just multiplied. So minus 7 into 1. Here it is minus because according to the formula here it is minus. So minus 7 into 1. Again we are substituting these values. We are doing addition and subtraction, simplification. So we got answer minus 12. So minus 12 which is not equals to 0. So we find the det value. This is how, if the question is given, this is how we have to find the det. Okay. Now we have to find the adjoint of A. I previously explained you how to find the adjoint. So we are taking 2. So we have to close 2. This first 2. This first 2 we are taking. So we have to close this column and we have to close the row where the 2 is there. The first 2. So what are there? 1, 1, 2 minus 3 is left. So 1, 1, 2 minus 3. So again we are taking this 2, the second 2. So this 2 column is closed and this 2 row is closed. So what are the values are there? 2, 1, minus 7, minus 3. So 2, 1, minus 7, minus 3. We multiplied. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 7 into 1 is plus 7. So plus 6, minus 6 plus 7 is plus 1. In the same way you have to do 0. Next we are taking 0, closing this column and this row. What are the values are there? 2, 1, minus 7, 2. So 2, 1, minus 7, 2 is 2 into 2 is 4, minus 7 into 1. So again we are taking 2, this second 2. Now we are taking this second 2. So we have to close this row and this column. What are they? 2, 0, 2, minus 3. So we have to into minus 3 into 2, 2 into 0. So minus 6 we got. Now we are taking this 1. So this 1 means that particular row and particular column were closed. So what are the values are left? 2, 0, minus 7, minus 3. 2, 0, minus 7 and minus 3. So minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 7 into 0 is minus 0. Again this 1 we are taking. So this row is closed and this column is closed. 2, 2, minus 7, 2 are values are left. 2, 2, minus 7, 2 values are left. 2, 2s are 4. Minus 7 into 2 is 14. So 18. Again this minus 7 we are taking. This column and this row are closed. So 2, 0, 1, 1 are left. So 2 into 1 is 2, minus 0. And then similarly 2 we are taking. So this row and this column are closed. What are values are there? 2, 0, 2, 1. So 2, 0, 2, 1. Again we are taking minus 3 as. So this column and this row are closed. So 2, 2, 2, 1 are left. 2, 2, 2, 1 are left. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 4. So we got these values. So write them in the form of matrix. So my 5 minus 1 plus 1, 6 minus 6, 18, 2 minus 2 and minus 2. So what I told you that just keep as plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. No, first we'll write plus minus, again plus, plus after minus, minus after plus, plus after minus, minus after plus, plus after minus, minus after plus. So before this value here I got as minus 5. So minus into plus is minus 5. Minus into plus 1 is minus 1. And plus into plus 1 is plus 1 only. Minus into minus 6 is plus 6. Minus into plus 6 is minus 6. I'll show those values in the next page. That minus into minus 18 is plus 18. Plus into 2 is plus 2. Minus into plus 2 is minus 2. Plus into minus 2 is minus 2. So see here, adjoint, that means transpose. That means row I have to write as a column, this row as a column and this row as a column. So here I am writing that row as a column and next row as a column and next row as a column. So what is the formula? 1 by det A adjoint of A. So det we got, answer is 12. So into adjoint of A means 5 divided by 12 minus 12. No, so that's why here it is minus. Again it is plus 6, but here it is minus. No, so that's why minus. So you have to divide all these values with 12 and if the values will be like this. So this is how you have to find out inverse of a matrix. So the formula is A inverse det 1 by det A into adjoint of A. Now the last topic, which is if they given the equations, how to solve the matrix means, see in this format all the equations are there, that a1x plus a1y plus a3z equals to d1, b1x plus b2y plus b3z equals to d2, c1x plus c2y plus c3z equals to d3. In this format the equations are there. So that at that time you have to write the matrix in this form. a1 a2 a3, delta equals to a1 a2 a3, b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3. Delta 1 equals to d1 d2 d3. So a values will remove. In the place of a values we'll write d1 d2 d3. b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3 are as it is. In the place again delta 2 means a1 values are same, b2 we will remove. In that place we will write d1 d2 d3. Again delta 3 means a1 b2 a1 b1 values a1 b1 will remain constant, c1 c2 c3 will be changed as d1 d2 d3. So here the question is given that following system of equation that we have to find the det. So x1 x2 x1 x2, so 3 2 2 4, so 3 4s are 12 minus 2 2s are 4, so equals to 8. We got answer. Now delta 1 means a values we have to remove. In the place of a values, see delta 1 means in the place of a values we are writing d1 and d2 d3. So d1 value d1 d2, no, d1 value is 80, d2 value is 80 80 80. So these are b values. So 2 and 4, 80 into 4 is 320 minus 80 into 2 is 160 by delta 1 by delta this is delta value, no, so delta 1 by delta we have to do like this. So 160 by 8 is 20 answer. Again delta 2 means a1 a2 values will be same. See delta 2 means a1 a2 will be same, b values are changed as d1 and d2 d3. So d1 d2 80 80, so 3 into 80 is 240 minus 2 into 80 is 160. So 80 by 8, that is delta 2 by delta. So 80 by 8, 8 ones are 8 tens are. In this way you have to do the matrix. Complete matrix is completed. This is what. If you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section and tell me. I'll clarify your doubts. Thank you.